Yeah, as I told you, the explosion transition needs some essential videos such as the explosion itself. I mean, the radiation of the fire after explosion. And of course, a proper video that fits. I just need the grand intro, my favorite, and the most beautiful transition in the world. I know you have suffered a lot
Okay.
for it and passed the video 10 second by or 30 second by 30. And yeah, I know that. So we're the same. I know you. Alright. We just need to cut the video and stand in the the last frame of the video. With shift, you can do that, but it won't show the video itself. So we just turn back a little bit, and when it is shown, we take a screenshot. With this, as I told you, with this plus, you can add it into your task bar here.
Do it! Do it! Come on, kill me! I'm here! Come on! Do it now! Kill me!
There. You see, we need a gap that doesn't allow the video to be, the screen to be black when the transition starts to explode. For example, the radiation starts from here. It takes some time to cover all the screen. So this little screenshot here avoids from being that, avoids from. Why is that? Alright. Avoids from being just a dick, right? So I just wanted to make it simple.
It is what it is.
Here is the explosion transition here, and as I told you, it doesn't fit all the video, so you just need to scale it a little bit, make it here, make it a little bit bigger. Alright. But how about the green screen here? What's going on, Mosa? What should we do for that?
Suck my tasty dick.
There's a transition, as I told you here, ultra key. You subscribers dumb. Myself. Don't not liking the video, please.
I need this.
Alright. We just need a proper place to show. Yeah, here. You see these green, these are the colors that the green screen has still in this video and are near to our, this explosion color here. So we just need to make the video a little bit more realistic, and yeah, as I told you, you must play with these to make your proper thing. Alright, this is the proper thing. Alright, from this second, in this second you must cut this screenshot, my beautiful screenshot here, and stand in the first frame of the next video and take another screenshot. Then put it after this that I told you. Here. Now, you see? But it has a gap that I don't really like it, so. And you must not wipe it too much. I wiped it too much, and that's my fault. Alright, this one should help here. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect now. Yeah. but I think it may have a little bit. Let's zoom here. Yeah. And why is that? Why this video makes me nerve? That's perfect now, I think. But we took it too much in the corner, so I think this is perfect. Yeah. Let me scale it a little bit bigger. That's not really what I wanted. And this is the perfect explosion transition that you've ever seen in whole videos. Okay, from this second on, you must delete that other beautiful video, I mean screenshot here, and snap the next video and continue. Boom. There is a boom here. What the? Haha. And this is my beautiful face here. So, peace.